What's up, YouTube? Welcome to the garage. I am pretty much just finishing up my little charcoal forge project here, so I thought I would just make a video, go over how I'm building it. I don't want to spend a lot of time making a video of me building it because it's all made out of scrap, so it's not like it's not like you're going to learn anything from my scrap. So I just wanted to make a video, show how I built it. This is a shelf that I got out of scrap. Had a big top made another shelf on there. I just cut that off. Big chunk of sheet metal scrap that just happened to fit. So that'll go in there like that. Then I'm just going to tack it in there. Let's see. This is my air intake here. For now, it'll just be the shop vac. So air will come in here, out through this hole. And then my fire pot is this brake drum, so this will get welded onto there, inside like that. So this is to control the air because, like I said, I'm using a shop vac. You always get the same amount of air. So this will let it exhaust out the side. With this closed up all the way, all the exhaust is going to blow up into the fire pot. So if you want less air, you can just open that up and it'll blow out the side here. And then inside the fire pot, the brake rotor, is this just a piece of 1/4 inch scrap I had laying around. Drilled a bunch of holes in it. Should, diffuse the air a little bit. I think might plug up. I might have to take a cold chisel and make some of those into slots or something. I'm not sure. We'll see what happens. So I think I'm gonna get it welded up and then we'll come back at that point. Okay, here it is all welded up. That's my air control dealie out there. This whole thing, it's all welded up now. Slip into there. So I may need to extend that. I'll probably extend that lever out a little bit just so I can reach it easier, but for now, I guess that's it. Let's get the vacuum out and take this thing out and test drive it. See how it does. Okay, I got it lit. The vacuum was just way too much air, so I switched back to the heat gun here, and that's really not enough air. It is lit, but I'm definitely going to need more air. I don't know, I might pick up a cheap Walmart hair dryer. And also I'm going to put some sides on it, so this won't be the end of the video. Alright, I think I'm finally done. The lever that I made to adjust the air, which just was going to let the air come out these 3 holes, didn't seem to do a whole lot. I don't know that it will. I don't know how much pressure is going to build up in there, but I went ahead and made it just a double-sided thing, so it's straight through now. So we'll see how that works. And then the shop vac was way too much air, and this, like I said, wouldn't do anything to reduce it like I wanted it to. A little bit, but not at all like I wanted. The heat gun that I was using, nowhere near enough air, so I went and bought this $10 hair dryer from Walmart, and I welded it. Just made a cone and welded it on there, kind of crappy, but it holds the hair dryer like that now. And then it's got 2 settings, low and high, so we'll see how that works. It holds in there nicely. It has a button that turns off the heat, so it just blows cool air. So I went ahead and you probably can't see, but I used a little black electrical tape. It just taped that down so we're always cool. I don't need to blow any more heat into it. I felt like it would just use more electricity. So the way to put this thing together then, just down like that. I don't know, I call it a diffuser plate. Valve closed. Hair dryer in there, and then we're ready for a fire. So I'm gonna haul it outside, get a fire going, and we'll come back then and see how it's doing. All right, there she blows, all done. Everything works great. The hair dryer's on low right now, and I mean it's hot. I kick it up to high, and I mean it gets incredibly hot. I did also make myself that's hot. Make myself a poker for moving the coal around and whatnot, but seems to work well. Thanks for watching. Give me a thumbs up if you like it. If not, sorry. If you want to subscribe, I'm definitely going to be making more videos, so we'll catch you next time.